YouTube, man, today is the day of the call me, man. We got like an hour until the call me start. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna just show you when we get there.
2,000 years later.
YouTube! We in the scat, man. If you don't know what the scat is, bro, you just don't know what the scat is, man. We finna head to the call me, bro. Just be patient. I'm on the way there. Just be patient. I know I said an hour later, but just be patient.
6.5 hours later.
This ain't the call me, bro. They just met up because they finna ride out there. These the cars, though, bro. Oh, God. Them boys. What you drinking, fool?
Huh?
What you drinking?
How you know I'm drinking something?
That's all you do, fool. You don't do shit but drink and drive. Fucking DUI ass person. Oh, I ain't know you had somebody cut over.
Hey, you cool? Let me get on
Shit.
You know what the fuck going on, fam? Car, all
God.
type shit. Hey, follow me.
It's a project with that shirt, bro.
Yeah, like underscore the wrong turn. Putting up, man. Wrong turn. Wrong turn.
You gonna hit that hoe? Oh, shit.
They gonna hit somebody shit.
What you say? He gonna hit it? Hey, they finna hit our way, cuz.
So they gonna hit Ashley shit or the other people?
Well, they finna hit our way, cuz.
Hit some shit. Hey, no. Man, turn your traction off. Oh, no. Turn your traction off. I should want to get off. Turn your traction off.
You good?
Wow, man. Damn.
shit. What are you on the sit? I mean, y'all, him.
Daddy.
Daddy! What doing, cat? Pounding in it, little popping out that so hard.
I got 275, 45, 20s at the shop. Bullshit you now, I got 4 of them.
Who you telling you get you a free pair of tires?
Free tires?
Yeah, I give you 2 for free.
If you go out there though, you gotta go.
I swear to God.
Oh God.
2 tires for free?
He said,
I shit y'all not. I
75.
got 4 tires. 275, 45, 20.
What size tires you got?
I got 2, I got 2 45 50s on there right now. But I'm finna put 2 of them 275s on there.
We got you 2
So I
tires,
just
gang.
got, no, but I got 4.
Look, we are thinking about it. You got you 2.
He said he thinking about it. He probably is thinking about it. What's your thoughts is, cuz?
And he gonna mount it.
That sound like Jeff over there. Knowing that Jeff ass. It gotta be Jeff ass.
Hey, Debo.
He just spit that whole dog.
Debo.
Where you get your demon hood from?
Man, we talking about
I
tires.
bought it off of you.
Nigga, that's a red out here.
I mean, yeah.
And that boy said he bought that whole 400.
You got that for 4?
I said the same shit.
375. That's even worse.
Worse.
I mean, it's good for you, but it's worse for him.
Yeah. That boy took a mean that loss.
I said 375. I just pulled number out. What you doing?
We got you 2 tires, gang.
Young nigga won't talk me the key. I told him I got 2 tires for him. He won't talk me the key.
Hey, that nigga stupid.
Nigga wanna raise motors and shit. Niggas ain't doing no slide. It's like a juicer. You give me a tea. Just give me whatever you get.
My nigga. Nigga started loud as fuck. On my soul, you funny as hell though. Boy, shit. Damn, did everybody pull up at the same time?
There's a whole lot of famous niggas out there, boy.
Look at your teeth.
Drop the bag.
Ooh. Hit top in the pump. He might crash this shit. He ain't moved yet. How can he still see? He gonna hit that pole. He gonna hit something. Damn. He like, whoa, nigga, it's my turn, not you. Snatch nigga out the his ass. Can't lie. I don't think about taking car. I know they ain't finna leave.
They finna tap.
Man, they gay. Oh God, they gay.
They just riding each other bumpers.
No, he took his cigarette. He just trying to get the hood back. Oh, that shit gay. VC is left. Goddamn. You said it what? What code?
Let me get out the way.
You said that was throwing the code. Nigga, I'm surprised you got the truck out there, ho. That be bright as fuck. Go turn your lights on. Shit.
Look, give me the lights on.
Bitch, I'm about to take a picture out there, ho. Fuck.
Oh, they don't know who the fuck you been walking past with a ski mount. Look.
He like, get out the way, nigga. He trying to put him out there, ho, too. JC been slide wheel shit?
I ain't seen that nigga slide so long.
Who, JC or Will?
JC, Will.
Hell to the nana. It's not hard to slide on feet. What the fuck? He almost spiked this bitch. Can't lie. Oh! God, do I just went crazy on my own? He gonna pay me for this video.
Hey, that's your whole.
Hey, he gonna pay me for this video. Oh God.
Belt boys ass, nigga. Wait till
Shit. He just went stupid. But gonna pay me for this hoe. Oh, that's JC? Oh shit! I can't breathe, goddamn shit. Damn, I can't breathe. Tripping. I'm just, man, police pulled up on that crazy ass, man. What's that crazy ass? God.
Huh?
Shit. I don't know.
All right, man, y'all niggas know what's going on. We at the second location. Police shut down the first.
You know what the fuck
one thing they can't do.
man, yeah.
12 make a run their mouth, but they
This
can't
shit
stop
overly
us.
quaking, nigga.
Overly quaking.
Hey, die for the slide out there, hoe good. Nigga gonna bust it tight. Nigga already about down there busting shit, cuz. Get 2 minutes right. That's why niggas start going to Piggly Wiggly, bro. All the rocks out there. Oh, my Baba though. That whole world turned though. But, hey, when niggas find out your shit, pop easy with all it.
That's what tell Twan he got us though, right? Because this is that top right here.
Oh, Lord.
Trying to put himself in that fire like
He
that,
trying to
bro.
run it back with me. He said he missed you.
Like, shit, you like, you want to race? What up, bitch? What the fuck you doing? That boy be lowing for come out there and pop out.
I went crazy on that boy video. Boy, I got some good videos today. Y'all paying for these. Fuck that.
Nigga, fuck you.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Where your mom at?
Fucking my phone and shit, nigga.
Where your mom at?
Tripping, man.
Remember when they first invented chocolate?
That boy had put up the Q dog, boy. Your ass getting beat up,
Yeah.
boy.
Oh, he pulled up. Ain't nobody even run. We just walked to the car. Some of them niggas did run though, like the scare.
That bitch was so deep.
Now did it. That bitch was so deep. Come on, now.
That bitch was deep.
I got like a tap lip. We was done. Rolling back like we did that year.
That boy coming slow, too.
Party, bro. Hey, look, Ken said we had a party.
Hey, yo, go everybody outside. What up, cuz? He might just chill, though, cuz. I mean, we really chill, though.
We turn that bitch up. Ken, we had a Jamaica party. We had a party, man. Bomb by Cloud.
Hey, them rims kind of hard, though. My mama, them hard.
You smoke black?
I just had what about what? Hell no. What, so wrong with that bitch? Yo, tell you right. I ain't gonna, I don't even be freaking them hoes. Somebody told me them hoes be opening up, so I start freaking them bitches. Who going first? Shit! Oh shit, who shit this is? That be a hoe. Huh? Say that's your shit? I thought that's your shit. You be, I believe it too, you be buying all these cars. You see what I post? You posted the SRT on your shit. I'm like, bitch. I was so mad, because I can't never find one.
What it do, bitch? Good?
Oh, what?
You Debo out there, huh?
Debo.
Bro, get that camera on my goddamn face.
Hey, man, I be supporting my cousin, man. I'm gonna rock this shit to this bitch.
What you say,
God,
Ken?
this bitch was
We
hot.
had a graduation party, bitch.
It was $100-something.
I ain't this nigga at the graduation party, but we had a graduation party. Bomba Clyde.
Hey, but look though, like,
I don't even want to record no more.
hey, who
paused the video.
Hey, who got the fast car out there though? Like by just thinking, like, man, he ain't got no truck. Come on, man. Like, this video go viral, somebody run their ass.
Yeah, I didn't even peep the police. He was over
waiting for
there.
somebody to take a risk. Yeah, which one of y'all niggas gonna be?
Hey, Will. Hey,
Will.
go ahead, but he ain't gonna catch on.
Egg a nigga on go catch a green nigga.
That nigga Will might jump out. Will might jump out that Hawaii movie.
What?
He already ready. He got a ski mask on. Gonna push that whole down.
You ain't that gangster for real, for real. I really think that ski mask make it. That ski mask hiding your pussy, gang.
On my soul, I'll go get my tag off. Give me a screwdriver. Let me take my tag off. Leave me at my car right now. And it's a fake tag in there.
How far you fuck?
You green. I wouldn't do that shit. I'm green beam and shit. Line that nigga ass up.
This nigga got the only purple charger in the city, gang. They on that ass.
You gonna hit that bitch from 2 states over.
I mean, hey, you can make that shit happen, Will. You know what I'm saying?
Run up.
Yeah.
Y'all want to make it.
Ooh, V6. Oh no, that's the Hellcat.
That's the Hellcat, huh?
He need to spin that one. Hey, we need to get him to run that hoe.
That nigga's a Hellcat.
We need to get him to run that hoe. What? Get in the car with you?
No, get in the road with me.
I be in the road with you recording. I ain't getting that down. Hey, I'm still on papers, but I got 2 more years, but hell nah. What?
Say that again?
For life, baby. Papers for life.
That boy is a menace to society. Lock him up.
They go 543.
Tell that nigga to ski. Who they said that dumbass? That's who shit. That shit shit. That shit. It's always you both parts.
Chill out. Hold up. Wait, guys.
You just a scat nigga? Fuck no, I never been that.
You don't want to claim the nigga saying 4 cars in a year. That nigga don't never want to claim much. That crazy.
That boy had Bubba got ate the fuck up. God damn.
On your page in the scat, bitch. Look, that. Yes, it is. That motherfucker. Alright, you got it. That nigga said, alright, you got it. That nigga smacked his lips. That nigga didn't know he tasted that though. Nigga tasted the food. That's a girl.
Shit, but that's a D8.
That's a girl.
I thought I probably stepped on my shit. You ain't saying nothing.
That's the car that be recording everybody's shit.
Yeah. Look at him. Hey, they be kind of hard though. Hey, they be hard as fuck though. I ain't gonna, that's some big ass rims. That be hard though. I ain't gonna count. I fuck with that hoe. I drive this bitch every day. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, that be hard though. You can't really see that bitch, but that be hard. I ain't gonna count that be hard though. He gonna pop his tire today. This nigga right here. Niggas get a car, don't know how to act, boy. I'm talking about no more transmission. That hoe throwing up in that bitch, ain't it? Niggas don't want to record this shit. Oh, God, fool.
Bro, I'm recording.
You should have got a haircut from Twan there while you was here.
Man, I ain't think I was gonna come out.
Hey, man, she trying to move her car. Get this slow ass shot the way, man. Oh, that's somebody else. I'm thinking that dude. My bad, bitch. I'm thinking that dude. What the fuck he call it? I think he just I don't know what the fuck he call it. How do you know that, nigga? Who the fuck is that? Hey, I'm thinking, I swear to God, fool. Cause bro just got one of these hoes, literally, bro.
I knew I wasn't tripping, fool. I swear I thought it was another one out there with that little jet. Like,
Man, dude got the same color and everything. That's crazy.
I think dude, we ain't stick up on this shit though. I'm not sure.
Oh, my mama don't smell like a lawnmower. On God, they don't smell like a lawnmower.
Oh, them cats gone.
Oh, he ain't got no cats. Them motherfuckers racing. Man, I just recorded that shit for no reason. Jay, what you say? What?
But hold on, hey though.
Shit!
That's the last time though.
Shit!
This is that crayon, boy. Let me just erase that shit.
Nah, that's some bullshit. Damn. I can't do shit with them, huh? I thought I was gonna get some content. What's that? Oh, he got a little more in there. Hey, go again. Huh? I need my car, man.
Man, that's a fly.
Hey.
Oh, this part right here.
What JC at? JC can fix it in there.
All you gotta do is push that shit.
Why, look, everybody scared like roaches. Little niggas get in their cars and shit. Oh, he called backup on their ass. Oh, he called triple on their ass. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit! I ain't even got no car, goddamn.
I'm in a kill.
Shit!
I'm in a kill. I ain't tripping.
Shit! Niggas ain't running this shit, but I'm not running, but I got the good shoes on today. Niggas just had, damn, police could have came soon, he would never wreck. hey, oh my mama, part bird. If the police came sooner, he would have never wrecked, cause he would never been spinning, cuz it make fucking sense. They gotta do that. I mean, that day. Where you going, cuz? You scared? Going to Mexico. Oh, Mexico, all right. Yo, can I get a fucking autograph, bro? Fuck, man. Fuck, man. I want a fucking autograph, bro. Fuck. Touch my fucking hand, bro. Touch my fucking hand. Touch my fucking hand. Yo.
Hell yeah. I can't run.
Go to Mexico. Whoa. Got her ass. She tripped. Stupid ass. You said tell him to race that hoe? I just trying to see how fast that bitch go, goddamn.
That's a pro charge.
That's what I said, bro.
5-0. Fuck hell no.
Man, that hoe be so motherfucking loud, cuz. Look at the white guy.
Legit with hitting licks, he never freeze though. Heard they on my dick because I'm lit, they got me teed though. Talking all that shit, get who with this blick, I'm quick to squeeze him. Boy, trying to see I need. Yeah, quick to call him, listen him. Yeah, no. Yeah, yeah, all this that legit when hitting licks, he never freeze though. Heard they on my dick because I'm lit, they got me teed though. Talking all that shit, get who with this blick, I'm quick to squeeze him. Quick to call the blitz and swing the stick, you give me the reef. Yeah, acting like you guys, nigga, then we gon' teach ya. This shit here get dicey, niggas, I ride with them demons. Turn into an angel, then we slapping in the reason. Go and hit your block and let off shots, I get the